Listening. Listen to an oral presentation. Listen to a teacher talking to his students about apples. Listen carefully. You will hear the information only once. After listening, you will answer some questions. As you listen, you may use the blank areas in your test book to take notes. Here's the presentation. Have you ever noticed when you're eating an apple that the inside part that's usually white when you first bite into it starts to turn brown after a while? Why does the inside of an apple start to turn brown? Well, it's because of what apples have inside of them. Apples have a certain type of enzyme in them. When you bite into the apple, oxygen in the air reaches the enzyme in the apple. When the oxygen reaches the enzyme, the apple starts to turn brown. An apple's skin protects the inside from the air. But once you take a bite and break the skin, the enzyme helps begin a chemical reaction. This reaction doesn't only happen with apples. Many different plants also contain this type of enzyme and will turn brown when their inner tissue meets the oxygen in the air. Sometimes this reaction is used while making products that we recognize for their brown color. For example, this reaction is used to produce the brown color in drinks that people know and love like coffee, tea, and cocoa. Now, drinking a cup of brown tea might seem more appetizing than eating brown apple slices, so if you don't want to eat brown apples, there are some things you can do to slow down the process. After you cut the apple, you can squeeze lemon juice into it or dip it in a glass of orange juice. Some fruits, such as lemons and oranges, contain citric acid, which will slow down the browning. This is the end of the presentation.